Hello, 8th grade. Happy Friday. Also, happy last day before spring break. It's exciting. So today there are a few things for you to do. First of all, take a look at the bell ringer. The bell ringer is still about the germ experiment. Today's the last day we're going to be talking about that. Although if you have questions or want help processing a piece of what we talked about throughout this week, let me know. I'm totally happy to process that lab with you. After you're done with that, if you scroll down a little bit further, you'll see that the Dropbox for the notes due today, section 1.3, is still up. If you haven't already turned those notes in, either as pictures, if you took the notes in your notebook, or as a Google Doc, if you took the notes on your Chromebook, please make sure that those are in by 2 p.m. today. All right, you had yesterday to work on them. You have a little bit of time still today, but make sure they're in by 2. Then, if you keep scrolling down, you'll notice that there's a lesson video for Chapter 1, Section 3. Give that a watch. I've included a second video there as well about how small an atom is that is referenced on one of the first slides in the lesson video. So take a look at those two things. And then if you scroll past the little homework text section, you'll notice that there's also a feedback form. So the feedback form is just sort of my way to check in with everybody. How are you doing? Was this week super stressful? Did it get better as it went? How's online learning going for you? Let me know so that we can start to make some changes. So if we need to get together and process one-on-one, we can start to do that. I also ask a few questions about how science went. Did it go well? What went well? What didn't? So that over spring break, as I'm working on refining things, I can try to make the course better for everybody. So take a look at that. And then lastly, you'll notice in the lesson video, there's a reference to a board at home challenge. Totally optional, you do not need to do that. But if you would like, and you are bored over spring break, there's a challenge that you can continue to work on that is below the feedback form. And so if you don't choose to do that, totally fine. If you want to do it, it needs to be done by this last Sunday of spring break. I think that's March 29th, they said. So read the directions, put your mailing address in, because if you are one of the winners, you will get mailed a prize after spring break. But yeah, check that out. Totally optional. And with that, have a wonderful day. Have an awesome spring break. Let me know how I can help you. I'll see you later.